Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. You know what? I think it's time to think back, dream back to a time where this stuff was off the ground and I was warm again. You ready to do this? Aw, yeah. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and I am back at a familiar place. This is Three Rivers State Park in Sneads, Florida. I was here about 3 years ago prior to Hurricane Michael and had a totally different experience. The Three Rivers State Park is a really nice state park. It's small, not a lot of campground spots, but they do have both RV spots and tent camping. The park itself, very clean. There is a bathhouse here and a check-in place for reservations. And then some nice trails along the water right here. And then up in the trees in the forest as well. There are a ton of these signs for alligators. I've never seen an alligator out when I've been hiking, but who knows, maybe I'll find one this time. Now I'm back, and I have to tell you, with even the majority of the trees down here, it's still an amazing place to come. This time I was able to park in Site 14. 14 is my lucky number, and was able to go head in first. And I was able to get a beautiful view of the lake from my rig. Also, you know, one of the things that was really interesting last time is that there were a lot of great hiking places. This time, still some good hiking places, but you can see what is going on after the Hurricane Michael recovery. Now, the hiking has definitely changed since the hurricane. You can still get out here and do a lot of hiking, but the views are going to be a lot different, not as wooded and shaded. But it'll give you a whole different perspective on what has gone down here. Still, some beautiful places to get out and enjoy when you're getting your hike on. So when I checked into my site, I spoke to the registration lady, and she was telling me that when the hurricane came in here back a year or so ago, it shut everything down from October until May of this year, 2019, that they were just digging out as much as they can. They still are digging out and clearing out, so a lot of contractors are here now. But it's nice to see the park back open again. I remember it 3 years ago when I came and it was a totally different site, but now it's still beautiful, but definitely has changed. Hey, just a reminder, if you like the content that you're seeing on the channel, make sure you click and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and anytime a new video comes out, it'll alert you, and that way you'll be locked in to everything RVJedeye. So Three Rivers State Park, again, Sneads, Georgia. There are 30 campsites here. You can tent camp, RV camp, and you get some great places so that you can see the lake and just be out here. No full hookups, but they have electric and water. There is a dump station and a great bathhouse up there as well. So you can come and just really enjoy yourself for a couple of days. And what a deal. For me, I think it was about 16 bucks when I was here, and this is back in September. So you can get some really good deals. Come down and really spend a long time out here. There's a boat ramp as well. You can also fish, a little dock right off the front part of the camping area, and you can go out there and fish, and a lot of people did that at night as well. And just in general, at night, some beautiful sunsets that will take your breath away. So there you have it, Three Rivers State Park in Sneads, Florida, an absolutely fantastic place to come. Hey, don't forget, you can follow me all over on social media at RVJedeye, and then of course you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, explore, have a great time. I think you're gonna really enjoy places like this where you can just unwind.